guys. Hello guys. This is Muslim Halal restaurant where you can eat food and taobao as well. Bye bye. Hello guys. So this is Muslim restaurant. Here you can get a hot pot free of cost, but you need to pay for these dishes. These are, what is this, Iba? Tofu. These are tofu. These are
Spinach.
lettuce.
Halal.
These are noodles.
Rice noodles.
Rice noodles. These are mutton. Some mutton lamb squeeze. See, if you order only these, and only these, then you will get this free. And you can just, it's hot around. Here landscape में बनाएं please. See, it's boiling. See how delicious it is. They will give you 2 spoons. One for the soup. You can get the soup. Wow, so yummy. And one for the, if you only get the tofu and anything. Here in the soup you can see there are many mushrooms and it's salty, and they will also as well give you some sauces like chili sauce, some onions, peanut sauce, and yes, they have special drinkable tea with special herbs.